Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox without an ID. So guys, if you are on mobile or a PC, you just need to go to in three dot, go to in settings. Now you have to go to in privacy. And once you're in privacy, to get voice chat on Roblox, you just need to hold down here and you will see here microphone and camera input. If you don't see, there can be two reasons. The first reason is you haven't verified your age or verify if you haven't verified with your ID. And the second reason is if you don't see microphone in your privacy, usually if you want a very voice chat without an ID, there is an option called beta features. So if you are part of beta feature, you will see here voice chat in beta features in here after this account restriction. But to be a part of beta feature is not easy because Roblox usually randomly choose users for the beta features. And if you are beta features, you will see here voice chat and you just need to tap on a toggle button to enable it. So this is the only option you can do to get voice chat without an ID. But if you want to get voice chat by verifying your age, you can get easily. You just need to provide an ID and upload it on verification, and you will get easily microphone here in the privacy to chat with voice. Fine, so that's how you can get it. And this is the only option to get voice chat in Roblox without an ID and with an ID. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching.